I'm happy to be here. I'm a professor actually in materials science, materials technology, but I'm very much involved in the area of advanced production. And I'm representing the area of advanced production here today. I will just shortly, in a couple of minutes, tell what we do that might in some way connect directly or indirectly to the topic we're talking about here today. Area advanced production. Here are the topics that we in some way are addressing through area advanced production today. It goes to Industry 4.9, the 5G connectivity, digital twins, connected automation, where it's a job, human-robot collaboration, big data for maintenance, digital material modeling, and also we put a lot of efforts in additive manufacturing, so which connects in some way to this. There are some facilities and test beds that are, we talked about the Winkvist laboratory, Chalmers Smart Industry Lab, with some innovation hub, virtual development library, and we also start to put a lot of efforts in additive manufacturing. So that's where we are today. And in some way or another, it really connects to how we make use of this topic and other technical topics to make manufacturing in one way or another improving in the society. Let's go to the next slide. So this, for example, is one project example which is running. They're called PhiGem. It's a connectivity demonstrators that you can think about on the shop floor, what we talk about in the future for Industry 4.0, which is an area that is managed a lot by Professor Johan Starre at Chalmers here. So this is where this is running. This is a little bit funding from Vinnova, and these are also the partners that are involved in this initiative at this stage, right? One example. Another example is where the Area Advanced take an initiative through the Winkvist laboratory to look at what we call smart assembly. That is how you think about actually connecting to manufacturing, how you bring parts into manufacturing, how you use different kind of technologies like scanning, sorting, smart selection parts, have a database analysis module, how you bring the data out, and then how you bring this into assembly cell, and then really make this efficient through sort of a manufacturing or factory level. So this is one other example I think that we talk about, not developing the digital tools, but taking a lot of advantage of them and make this into practical use. Another thing that is coming more and more, might be a little bit more touching to the materials field, but what we put a lot of efforts in today is the area of additive manufacturing. Where actually, how is this coming in? Well, we talk about going from materials to end product, and it's a lot of closed looping in this type of process. Going for the starting material to the actual end product. And you can understand what this may in the future create when they talk about how you manage and how you bring manufacturing in Sweden and elsewhere running around, right? A lot of things will happen in Sweden, a lot of things are happening. And so this is that everything is brought from the modeling point of view down, up, the whole way down, up to the manufacturer. But there's a lot of tools used inside here when calculation and things like that are part of the actual initiative. Shortly, 3 examples, and that's it. If you have questions about these, talk to me, okay?